Hello and welcome to the Knowledge channel, and in this video we are going to fix Samsung Galaxy F41 hotspot or Wi-Fi not working issue. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and start our video without wasting any time. So if you are facing any issue regarding Wi-Fi or hotspot in Samsung Galaxy F41, so first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow the step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.